surprised. This is surprising. Like, states in the north are having more searches. Interest in crypto. You can see Jigawa Castina Plateau. Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Deji, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Trends to know exactly what product you should be promoting on Expertnaire. The idea here is to find out what people are really searching for on Google and then provide them with the exact solution to solve their queries and problem on Google. So to do this, the first thing we're going to be doing is to go on Google and type in Google Trends. This is the tool we're going to be using. So I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to click on Google Trends. So here we have it. It says enter a search term or topic. So the first thing I'm even going to do is to type Expertnaire. I want to see what the search volume for Expertnaire is currently in Nigeria. So I'm going to click on search. So my country has been selected. You can change this to whichever country you're in. So I'm just going to leave that in Nigeria. And then it says the past 12 months all categories web search. So I'm going to leave that as is. So we can see here that the search volume for Expertnaire is quite high. It has been an uptrend in the last 12 months and it keeps going up. So today is December 5th, 2021, and the trend is upward. So if I scroll down, I'm going to see the states where people are searching for Expertnaire the most, and it happens to be the Southeast, Imo State, Enugu State, then the Southwest, Oyo State, Ogun State, and then the South Edo State. If I click on next, I'm going to see other states. So this is just showing me that Expertnaire is really popular, and the related queries are Expertnaire affiliate marketing. A lot of people want to know about affiliate marketing, and Expertnaire is the #1 platform currently in Nigeria over the last 12 months. So I'm going to compare that with Lenoflix. Lenoflix is another affiliate marketing platform. So let's see what the search results is going to be like. Okay, so in the last 12 months, we can see that the search volume for Lenoflix is quite low as compared to Expertnaire. Sometimes in April, sometimes in May, the search volume was really high, and I think that was the highest so far this year. Let me try to see the states where people are searching. So you see Lagos. Lagos has the highest search for Lenoflix, and then Ogun State, Federal Capital Territory, Rivers, Edo State. So that's it, guys. This is what Google Trends is going to help you do. So now that we know what platforms we should be on, I'm going to go right ahead and put in a keyword which I intend to promote. So I want to know what the search volume for crypto is in Nigeria. Okay, that's quite high. Wow. Jigawa, Taraba, Enugu, Anambra, Kano. These are the states searching for crypto related queries on Google the most. So I'm going to compare that with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a kind of crypto. Let me see. Okay, so Bitcoin even has more queries than crypto. So this shows that crypto is quite high. People are searching for Bitcoin and crypto. You can see search volume is almost 100. So, and then the states, Jigawa, Castina, Plateau states. So what that means is I could even target these particular states with my Facebook ads. And then these are the related queries: global crypto exchange, NFT crypto, crypto market cap, best crypto to invest in 2021. Guys, this is really good. So let me see more states. Kaduna, Enugu, Benue, Bauchi, Cross River. So these are the guys searching for crypto and Bitcoin. Okay. All right, so I'm going to remove that, and I'm also going to remove crypto. I now know that crypto is hot. So the next thing I want to search for is IELTS exams. I know a lot of people want to travel out and they need IELTS. I'm also going to search I'm going to compare IELTS with travel to Canada. Okay, so the search volume are quite similar. Like the queries are quite similar. It shows similar number of persons are searching for IELTS and travel to Canada. You can see IELTS, you can see Canada. And then the states are Oyo states, River states, Ogun states, and then the FCT and Lagos states. So these are the 5 states with the highest number of searches for IELTS and travel to Canada. So this is also a good product to promote. I mean, it has a high search volume. You can see for IELTS is getting up to 100, and then it goes down and then it goes back up. You can see the same thing travel to Canada as at 28th of December 2021. Travel to Canada was 86 out of 100. So guys, you can play around with this tool, put in any keyword relating to a product you want to promote, and then see if people are really searching for it, see if it has the search volume. So let's just try. Lastly, I'm just going to put in how to lose weight in Nigeria. Let's see what that's going to give us. Okay, there's no enough data to show you the search volume. Okay, so this is what it is in the last 12 months, and then you have Federal Capital Territory, Lagos, and River State. So these are the states where people are really searching for how to lose weight. So this is giving you an idea where you should be targeting with your ads generally. So that's it, guys. If you found value, please do well to give this video a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you get to see more videos when I post them, videos about how to make money online and the internet marketing space in general. I've said everything I have to say. It's your turn. Let me know what you think in the comments. Peace.